All right, Elena. Okay, for number one, we have, why didn't you call me
Like
last night?
last night.
Yes, number two,
Uh,
yesterday at 6
at
o'clock,
6
I
o'clock
was preparing dinner.
dinner.
Yes, for number three, I flew over
I
Loch
think
Ness last week. Then for number four, he hasn't smoked for 2 weeks. Then the last one is, I have never drunk whiskey. Okay. Then all of your answer is correct. I am right.
what?
All your answer is correct.
I don't know.
All right, you forgot it.
Because yeah, I think
Okay, so now let's proceed. Okay, task 4. Find mistakes and correct. All right, so all you need to do is find the mistakes, every sentence, and correct it with the correct answer. Then write the correct answer beside the after the period. Here, put here the correct answer.
okay. Future, I'm done.
All right, so for number one, let's check your answer. Okay, go, went. This one, go, went. Then, so, sin. Yes, very good. Then, we had, have. Okay. And then last night at 6 p.m. All right, so was. Then number 5, we have can, could. All right, very good. Elena, you get the correct answers. Task 4. Okay, let's proceed to, okay, task 5. Wait for a while. Okay, task 5. Complete the text by using words in the box with correct forms. All right. So I will read the text. My name is Hans. I am a mechanic. I live in London. I have got brother and sister. My sister is blank university student. She studies medicine. She blank a doctor next 5 years. My brother doesn't want to go to university because he wants to be a mechanic like me. He comes and helps me in my shop blank Sundays. He blank his education yet. After his education, he is thinking of working with me. We blank the business. All right, so all you need to do is choose the correct answers from the box.
Mm. Wait, wait. Mm.
All right, so, okay.
Mm. Mm. I think we're done.
All right, so for number 1, the answer is A. My sister is a university student. Then number 2, okay, very good, will be. Okay, she will be doctor next 5 years. Then number 3, on. Okay, very good. He comes and helps me in my shop on Sunday. Number 4, we have haven't finished. So he haven't finished his education yet. Then for the last number, we have the answer is will run. We will run in the business together one day. All right. So you are all right. So you have two mistakes only. Okay. Next. All right. Very good, Elena. You survived our regular test 5. Okay, before we will review your score, we will announce your score. Clap your hands for yourself because you really good job. Okay, next. So for task 1, I will re-announce your score. So for task 1, you have out of 7, you get 5. Then task 2, out of 7, you got 4. Then task 2. Okay, for task 2, you are perfect, right? No, yes, task 3, you are perfect. Then task 4, you got 4 out of 5. And then for task 5, you got 3 out of 5. Okay, congratulations, Elena. Are you happy with your score? Maybe tomorrow I will send your evaluation form so that you could see your scores. And then I will write a suggestions or feedback. Okay, maybe tomorrow I will send the evaluation form. So are you happy with your score, Elena? Oh, you have lots of hearts. Are you happy with your score?
Yeah, I think it's very good.
All right, so we are already done on new grammar. So next week we will proceed and we will discuss more on solutions elementary because we are already done in new grammar 3. But we have final test. Maybe next week we will have first final test before we will proceed to our discussion in solutions elementary. Is that clear?
Okay.
All right. So thank you very much for participating in our class tonight. And I'm happy because he got a high score in our regular test. And I hope next week we will have an interacting and enjoyable discussion. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes.
All right, Elena. For now, bye-bye, Elena, and good night. Thank you.
Goodbye.
See you next week.
Thank you for your tips.
Yes, thank you next week. See you.